Hi, my name is Megan and this is
Logan.
And today we're going to show you how to make homemade Play-Doh. So what we need is flour, oil, vegetable oil, salt, I guess, some kind of salt, and cream of tartar. So we just put in 2 cups of flour, that's over there, and now we're gonna put salt in. So Logan, you just want to pour it in? Yeah, just pour it in. And now for the next ingredient. So we already put 4 teaspoons of cream tartar, and now we're gonna put in we already have one
Oil, 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm just gonna pour this in.
Okay.
And we already have one in there. We just added 2 cups of hot water, and now we're gonna mix it up. My turn.
Get a better
Just
view.
like my oatmeal.
Yeah. You but the bad oatmeal. So you're gonna mix.
Mix everything up. Now it's your turn, Logan.
Smells like.
So we use warm water and we put it in here, and we mixed up the dough until it's like nice and like smooth or something. And then we split them in half.
And we made it
split
like
it in half again, and
we made it like a nest.
little bowl.
Oh, we made it like a nest.
And
Yeah.
then first we're gonna add coloring food. I'm using pink and some strawberry coloring food, and Logan is using blue, light blue, and some candy mix, and light green, dark green. Okay, we're not to that yet. And vanilla. Okay, so first I'm gonna drop 2 drops.
Yeah, just do very little. 2 drops, because a little goes a long way.
Maybe only 1.
Yeah, Logan, don't be easy on it. Just 1 little drop. Okay, that's good. Now close it.
We're gonna only add 1 drop, and then we're gonna want to add our scent. I have my strawberry scent. 2 drops. So now we have our finished first Play-Doh. I used purple and pink, and now I'm gonna use blue for the next set. So we have our Play-Doh containers. We're gonna put this inside. Actually, this was actually a very fun, and we have the recipe in the comments down below. So if you want to check that out, you could.
Logan, what did you make in yours? Let me see.
I cut the candy blue.